Yeah, nation people. Me see it get crazy, you know what I mean? So right about now, me don't know what really go on, but it's like mavado run out for masicka, you see what I say? And right now, me don't know if I should say it's like masicka call on the war upon himself. Me not know if I should say that because you know remember what year masicka come out, you know? I met the people them know, you know. So right now, you know, him know say Chua be a fucker song I drop out there, you know. That's why the people them are pressure him for drop him album, you know. Remember Masicka said that, you know. So I don't know if that mavado take offense to that or I don't know what really are going on. But mavado say him splash out mosquito brain on the wall. Yo, for you shoot a mosquito, you know, you suppose you have to marks no blood clot, you know. Much less, you know, to shoot out the mosquito brain, you know. So I can't so logically I can't mosquito him at all. I have to massacre the man really at all. You see what I say? But me I go see what I go on right now. Because my father a big gun. And if massacre gun him down, it not gonna be like oil gun down tornado. If massacre gun down my father, a straight and mainstream him gone. No gimmicks business not dead about it. But watch me now, man. Oh, the world, it's not a plan. Just watch what's going on, you know. Carefully, you know. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. Oh, no, know what go already, you know. When I come for represent, full effecting man. Oh, no, know what go? When me load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man pan YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. It get tough right about now. I go watch and see if, because Masicka about to drop him album, I go watch and see if him and Kurtad I go call off this shit yeah, what mavado want. You see what I say? Because me I tell you something. Masicka say I'm the new thing because him all a call on king for himself and them stuff there. Let me tell you this, brother. No boy in a dance hall where a big name and both him a big gun. None of them never ever call Vybz Kartel name and them not get dismantled. A one man call Vybz Kartel name and Vybz Kartel don't give him no highlight for that and a eye donor. And you know why? Because eye donor a cartel rightfully, lawfully, first son in a dance hall. You hear that? I know me I say that. I don't say that out of him own mouth. Say Addy I'm daddy who want vex, go and vex. This bad man you get box for your jaw next. I don't know we make your girlfriend say you can't have sex. You see what I say? And furthermore, a Vybz Kartel himself carry I donor to Bounty Killer after scatter Borel. I run gangbang and hunger boots up him nephew when him hollow pint. You see what I say? And him complain to Vybz Kartel about it and Vybz Kartel carry him to Bounty Killer. You see what I say? And not only carry him, instruct him what to do. Vybz Kartel make him know, listen, anything at all the ear killer say out of him mouth don't answer him because at first him a go on away. Cause you know killer full of attitude, you know. No gimmick this business not double about it, you know. You see what I say? The man they gonna give you some attitude, you know, first, you know, before you get some gratitude, you know. I saw them dog the roll. You see what I say? You can't just run in on them dog that like that. I don't know, a lollipop thing. You see what I say? Yeah. So, that's the only man where you know we have name or same body in a lyrically. Call Cartel name and Cartel no look upon him because he was Cartel first son. And furthermore, a look at thing go on and him run left Cartel. You see what I say? And when him see Vibes Cartel get big now and around the whole fucking thing. The whole fucking place. At them time them say claim him one channel and so the general uno look for him. Cause the general say nah give him the highlight. But this a different thing with Masicka. You hear what mavado say? Right now, you know. Mavado have himself as a war machine. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing that about it. Him tell Winford, say uncle him and Vibes alone can't do them thing there. No more man can't talk to him. You see what I say? So if Masicka bust off mavado strike, me nah ask no question. Mainstream have to call him. Cause mavado big cannon gun and no joke shit. No lollipop thing not dead about it. So me go watch and see what go on. And me go see if all the tough talk with Masicka go on with for Instagram more while when him go live. Me go see if a joke thing. And me go see if the crooks them nah bite. Me go see if the crooks them teeth are rubber right. No. You know what I mean? Yeah. No, me go see if a joke or a fun thing the genocide business about. You see what I say? Yeah, because the man see a one side, you know, unless the land slide, you know, and no gimmicks business, you know. You see what I say? Me know Masicka, a lyrical machine. Me know that. You see what I say? Hardcore, way before him boss. You see what I say? Yeah. My thing is now, if Quartet, I go put him up. Because he say if a Masicka by himself, I don't no doubt say I'm going to challenge mavado. But if it's him have management team, I go see if Quartet himself, I go instruct him not to answer mavado or not to even do no song about him. You see what I say? Because I tell you something. He's not supposed to make this opportunity pass. Because he want him name called I up there. And he want him name called I up in the mainstream. And he's a big giant blood clot mainstream artist this. Claim him and disrespect him for nothing at all. Just come out of the blues because we don't know where really this come from. You see what I say? And since a big giant mainstream artist in a dancehall a gun off of you and you claim say you're to the top of your head, just move him out of the way. Just move him out of the way and go take him spot. Mainstream Africa, the world know mavado a war machine. I said him make him name like that. Him no care how no care how people not like him. Him put out a whole heap of work in a dancehall. The evidence there for sure. I want to know another no gimmicks thing. But I'm saying, since Masicka attack tough and hard because him want at the top position him say him a head for. Him not supposed to have no problem. You see what I say? I destroy the gully god. You see what I say? No gimmicks business not dead about it. And this is supposed to something where him want. You know what I mean? Because to all dancehall set and to all them man there portray themselves, it's like them man they all hungry for all a war. You see what I say? Well, nobody can talk about nobody can talk about no size business right I say, Because everybody know in a mavado are the bigger artists, you know. And if the bigger artists are call you as an upcoming artist, you want to go up to the top, you know. And I call you out like that, you know. You're not supposed to have no doubt, no negative vibes about it, you know. More than rush him, you know. No gimmicks thing no dead about it. The pumpy a splash out them brain pan the wall. 10-star a step watch the pussy them a ball. Choke out them eye just like a sticker ball. Inna them blood clot flesh shatter install. Them a no bad man, them a bisexual. Tell police or teacher of Gaza lock. Some me know say them a no real criminal. Them a pussy like up underneath them girl. Watch. Yeah, nation people. It look very excited. So right now, you know me say watch. I'm gonna stay in my corner and watch what go on if masicka naga attack in a full effect. But the general, you know, 10-star one. You know, I represent Gaza way. There ain't no other way. 10-star. General.